piki oriri. Heke whakararo ki te kōpua piki ana ki wai o te rangi e. Ko wai o te rangi te kanohi o te iwi taunga kahu e. Ko ripo ana nā huko ki te ruatani whakari whae. Ngā tirua mahu e te ware tupuna, ngā tirua mahu e te hapu. E ko te wainui e tūnei. Piki mai taku manu, ka ke mai taku manu, ka te ka titiro ki te pahi, ngā rua ko iwi o te iwi e, putakau atu ki te tae o te wainui e papaki mai rā, rā whitiroa te pātu, wata i whakatau ki nei. Whakapai tonu tia kia puta te rā, e kore e ngaro tau. Tēnā koutou. Koe nā tērā waiata tuatahi mō Muimui. Muimui is our eponymous ancestress, and she is our hekenga nui. She is who all of us on the stage here today descend from. So he wahine, koe nāpea, kai mai nā wahine, ki te whakatakoto kōrero mō Muimui. She's our ancestress, and in that little mō we talk about her being a woman of resilience and a woman of courage, because she had to be. She was the sole survivor of a pakanga. And in order for her to survive, she came out of a rua kumara, where also, like everyone here in Te Tai Tokerau, we all grew kumara. We all had rua kumara of various sizes, shapes and formations. And so our tupuna Muimui, she came out of a rua kumara, she hid in a rua kumara, and she was found by the people that came, and they killed all her people, so she was the sole survivor. Mahue is she was the sole survivor. Mahue, she was left behind. So our name of our hapu is Rua Mahue, Ngāti Rua Mahue. So we are the survivors. From that story, and I know lots of stories across the country and indeed across Te Tai Tokerau have similar stories. So today what we thought we would do, whilst we were ohorere last night at 10 o'clock thinking we don't have this time, to get this kind of power conversation on, we thought let's just talk about what we know about, which is to tell our story about who we are, what we are, where we are and why we are. And importantly, what tomorrow looks like for us. And one of the key elements, the key dimensions of what it looks like for us is that it looks like aroha. Ka aroha ki te tangata o tō